taller buildings are on North Avenue. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this stuff. My neighbor. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Just a picture. You want to see them?
Yeah. See the damage. Oh man. Oh.
At my daughter's graduation, high school graduation.
Oh shit.
Crying for them.
Oh man. Oh my God. Well, you know, it looks like some of them you say are going to be all right, though, right?
I don't know. I'm trying to clean them up because I do those. I thought that's all, and then when I'm trying to throw things away, that's when I find them just now. That's when I realized.
Yeah, don't throw them away. No. Oh, yeah, I see you have the heat on them.
Yeah, I put the heat on.
Yeah, heat on the memories. Wow. Yeah, I think most of them will be all right.
I hope so.
Wow. You have a nice home.
You don't have to go.
This was from the basement. You brought it up here.
Yeah, we brought it up.
Oh. Should we go you go this way? Go around.
You can take these.
These are all things you had to throw out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to throw them out.
And what time? This started on Sunday?
Yes, Sunday night.
Sunday night?
Afternoon, like 7 to 8 o'clock.
And then what happened? You were what? Watching television or something? Or?
Yeah, I was upstairs.
You were upstairs and you didn't even know that this...
Yeah, I never thought that would happen.
Hi. Hi.
How you doing?
All right.
You, Mr. Jerome?
You were upstairs in your house, and then all of a sudden, did you realize that there was water in? And when did it?
Because that never happened. I live here more than 8 to 9 years.
And it never happened.
It never happened.
And someone told me they know people lived 40 years in this area and never happened.
Yeah, that's right there.
Yeah. Oh man. Well, you cleaned up a lot.
Yeah, you already cleaned up. Yeah.
I have to.
Because they say if we don't clean it, they won't come to help with the water.
But we still have it.
Oh, we have to.
Because
it's not dry yet. It still have water.
Is it a chance that this will work again?
I don't know. They were here, but they're coming tomorrow morning.
How high did the water come?
3 feet. The map was here.
You washed these down too? You washed everything?
Because the yellow was yellow. So I got some of them here.
Yeah, probably.
Look at that, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Now that was wastewater, right? From the sewer.
From outside too.
From outside too.
Yeah, you know, because of that.
Oh boy.
From sewer, from outside, from all kinds.
Oh.
And see,
and now, did you pump it out, or it down.
Sit down. So, but every time you put your foot,
Yeah.
it comes off.
We still have underneath.
Yeah. Yeah.
The floor is still wet.
Yep.
And then they all gone.
Oh boy. Well, maybe somebody will put together some helping organization. I don't know.
This year. That's a problem in here.
You lost a lot of money.
It's wet, I have to empty, and then all my kid clothes, everything.
Oh my goodness.
So I don't have a place to put them yet, so I don't know if I can, because I try to wash some of them, but the yellow stuff still stick on them. I have to throw away. But I'm trying. That's what I do now. I soak those, all of them to soak, some of them to soak and see if
I see.
I can wash them if they can come out. I don't know.
All of these things were upside down. They were upside down.
Oh my God.
The TV, we have to be outside. Yeah. You see, it was upside down too.
Oh, jeez.
Very heavy TV.
Whoa.
Okay. Inside out, so
we clean them.
I clean them, but I don't know if they're gonna work. So I call somebody to see if they can before I plug it out. And here. Yeah,
so you called an electrician. He's gonna come and check it out for you then?
I don't know if it's gonna come. He don't call me back yet.
Okay.
You can come out this way.
Oh man.
Watch up.
Oh gee.
Yes.
It was floating in the water. Oh my God. Oh, your stereo and music.
My baby just
Oh my God.
And shoes.
Well, my prayers are with you.
Thank you. I need it. Bravo.
A number of people on this street, right?
Right.
Looks like there's a lot of people up and down.
Yep.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see if I can get this on the television or get somebody to watch it. Hopefully, help out.
Thank you.
Okay.
Very much.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you.